How did you wake up this morning? Did you smile or did you feel sad in your heart? Did you tell yourself something kind or something bad? Stop for a moment and listen to me very carefully. The first thought of your day is very powerful. It can build your day or it can break your day. Today, I want to give you a beautiful gift. I want to give you the gift of positive thinking. Welcome to the English Flow Podcast. My name is Lucas. Please subscribe to the English Flow Podcast right now so you can grow your English and your heart with me every week. Now, let us learn how to think in a happy way in simple English. What is positive thinking? Positive thinking is a very simple idea. It means you choose to see the good things in your life. It does not mean you are happy every minute of every day. It does not mean you never feel sad. We are all human. Sad days are normal. But positive thinking means this. When something bad happens, you look for the small good thing inside it. When you make a mistake, you say, "It's okay, I can try again." When you feel weak, you tell yourself, "I am stronger than this moment." Positive thinking is a habit. Just like brushing your teeth, you can train your mind to do it every day. Why do we think so many negative thoughts? This is a very important question. Our brains are old. For many, many years, our brains learn to look for danger. Our brain wants to keep us safe, so it looks for problems all the time. This is why one bad thing in the morning can ruin your whole day. Your brain remembers the bad thing and forgets the 10 good things. This is not your fault. This is how the brain works. But we live in a different world now. We do not need to fear lions or storms every day. So we must teach our old brains a new way. We must teach them to see the good, not just the bad. The words you say to yourself are very powerful. Listen to me carefully. Words can hurt you and words can heal you. The most important words in your life are the words you say inside your head. If you say to yourself, "I am stupid," your body believes it. If you say, "I cannot speak English," your mouth stays closed. But if you say, "I am learning," your body relaxes. If you say, "I can do it slowly," your brain opens. Be very careful with the words you say to yourself. Speak to yourself like you speak to a small child you love, with patience, with kindness, with warm eyes. Positive thinking is very good for your body. This may surprise you, but it is true. Doctors have done many studies. People who think positive are healthier. Their hearts are stronger. Their stomachs feel better. They sleep more deeply. They get sick less often. When you are full of stress and bad thoughts, Your body becomes tight. Your shoulders go up. Your breath becomes short. But when you think a kind thought, your body opens. Your muscles relax. Your breath becomes long and slow. Your heart says thank you. Good thoughts are like soft medicine for your body. They cost nothing and they work very well. Positive thinking is also very good for your brain. When you think positive thoughts, your brain becomes a better student. It learns faster. It remembers more. This is very important for you because you are learning English. Many learners say, "English is too hard for me. I will never speak well." This is a heavy thought. It blocks your brain. But if you say, "Every day I learn one new word, I am moving forward," your brain opens like a flower. It is hungry to learn. So your English grows fast. Positive thinking is not magic. It is real science. Be kind to your mind, and your mind will help you in return. Positive thinking also changes the people around you. When you smile, other people smile back. When you say kind words, people listen. When you walk into a room with good energy, the whole room feels lighter. People love being near positive people. They do not love being near angry, sad, or complaining people. If you want good friends, become a good friend. If you want kind words, give kind words first. The world is like a big mirror. It shows you back what you put into it. Try this experiment tomorrow. Smile at 5 people, just 5. Watch what happens. The world will smile back at you in beautiful ways. How do you start to think more positive? Let us be honest. You cannot change your mind in one day. The mind is slow. But you can start with very small steps. The first step is the easiest. Stop fighting your bad thoughts. Yes, you heard me correctly. Do not fight them. When a bad thought comes, just say, "Hello, bad thought. I see you." Then let it pass, like a cloud in the sky. Bad thoughts hate to be seen. When you look at them with calm eyes, they lose their power. They become small. They go away faster. The second step is the morning affirmation. An affirmation is a short positive sentence that you say to yourself. When you wake up tomorrow, before you open your phone, say 3 sentences out loud. Say, "Today is a good day." Say, "I am strong and I am safe." Say, "I am proud of myself for trying." Yes, say them in English. This is your free English class every morning. The words will feel strange the first day. They will feel a little better on day 3. By day 30, they will feel like the truth. Your brain learns what you repeat. Repeat good things. The third step is the gratitude habit. Gratitude is a beautiful word. It means saying thank you for what you have. Every night before you sleep, think of 3 good things from your day. Maybe the coffee was warm. Maybe a friend sent you a kind message. Maybe you understood a new English word. The good things do not need to be big. The small things are enough. Slowly, your brain learns to see good things during the day because it knows you will ask about them at night. This one small habit can change your whole life in just a few months. I want to be very honest with you. Positive thinking is not always easy. Some days, your heart is heavy. Some days, you feel like crying. Some days, the world feels too hard. On these days, do not be angry with yourself. Do not say, I am bad at positive thinking. Sad days are part of being human. They make us soft. They make us kind to other people who are sad. On a hard day, be gentle with yourself. Drink a warm drink. Walk slowly. Call a person who loves you. Listen to a calm podcast, maybe this one. The bad day will pass. The sun will come back. How can positive thinking help your English? It helps in every way. Many learners give up because they feel afraid. They feel small. They think other people will laugh at them. But with a positive mind, you start to enjoy your mistakes. Yes, enjoy them. Every mistake is a teacher. Every wrong word is one step closer to the right word. When you speak with confidence, even with mistakes, people understand you. They smile. They want to help you. So next time you open your mouth to speak English, remember this: you are not bad. You are learning. You are brave. You are doing something most people in the world are too afraid to do. We have talked about so many warm and important things today. We learned what positive thinking really means. We learned why our brains love negative thoughts and how we can teach them a new way. We learned that kind words to ourselves are like medicine for our body, our brain, and our English. We learned about small daily steps, like morning affirmations and the gratitude habit. We also learned that sad days are normal, and we must be gentle with ourselves. Most importantly, we learned that a positive mind is the best friend of a language learner. What will we talk about next time? Next time, we will talk about how to stop worrying about things you cannot control in simple English. You don't want to miss it. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel right now. Follow the English Flow podcast on all our pages for daily English practice. Thank you for listening today. Think positive, smile gently, and speak English with a brave heart.